Hi there and welcome to the Crafty Lush. Today we are going to be working on a mandala with a cutout for a name in the center of it. The way that we're going to do this is going to be really super simple. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go and pull a mandala from the images in Design Space. This is one that's just available, so I'm going to go ahead and just use this one. Then the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go in, we're going to slice out a middle section of that. And what you're going to do is you're going to go and unlock, you're going to create a square and unlock that square and turn it into a rectangle. You're going to put that rectangle roughly in the center, and then you're going to select the entire thing, and you're going to align horizontally and align center vertically. This is going to make sure that it's completely aligned on the mandala so that you can slice out that middle section. So once you have the entire thing selected, you're going to go and hit slice. That's going to cut through both images and create in the center here, it's going to create a cutout of everything that was underneath that rectangle. So what you'll do is you'll just go through and go in and delete each one of those. Then the next thing that you're going to do is go in with another square and unlock it and create yourself a rectangle. And it's going to be a very thin rectangle, and what this is going to do is create like a border on your mandala. So once you've got that border there, you can resize it if it's too big. So I'm just going to go ahead and make it a little bit smaller. So I've got that one, and then I want to create another one, so I'm just copying and pasting a second one in there. Then you're just going to put that on the bottom. Then to make sure that those are identically spaced, you're going to do align and center horizontally. That will make sure that these are both, everything in this square is aligned horizontally. Then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to go in with your text. I'm just going to type in family. So I've got this font that I found on dafont.com called Hello Pirates. It's a great little font. And what you can do is you can go in here, space it out, make it so that it goes the width of the mandala. And then if you want, you can, what I like to do is go in and align it again and center it horizontally. And then one of the things you want to make sure you do is with the family, you want to weld the family together so that it's all one cut. And then with the rest of the mandala, for the mandala and those two cuts that we made to create the border, you're going to turn those all into one color, and then you're going to attach those together. And then for the family, what I like to do is just change the color on that family. And then what that'll do is that when I go to make it, it's going to sort it so that the mandala itself is on one page and then family is on another. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. If you have any suggestions of tutorials you'd like to see, please feel free also to comment down below. And I look forward to making additional videos in the future. Thanks.